What does it take to build a country that's the envy of the world? What quality is it that makes a culture thrive and people come alive? Diversity, creativity, character, hard work. There are some who stand out and receive special recognition. It's well-deserved. There are countless more who show up every day, do their best, and leave things a little better than they were yesterday. The unsung heroes, the silent partners, working long hours, planning ahead, trying to think things through, always pushing for ways to do things better, honoring commitments, getting done what they said they would do, forming a quiet but strong force that holds things together while the spotlight turns on the one whose time it is to shine. What began in the 1930s as a small business manufacturing steel cladding for farm buildings has grown into a nationwide phenomenon. We haven't forgotten our humble beginnings or lost the passion to keep growing. We're proud of our role. Vicwest, building for tomorrow.